In the near future, in an unknown nation, a grim dystopia was dominated by an all-powerful AI unit gone berserk. It was destroyed thanks to the efforts of Copen, the Luminous Avenger X, and the world enjoyed a moment of peace. Copen and his comrades savored the newfound tranquility under the guidance of their new leader, Lade. With the world now at peace, Copen was finally able to lose himself in his research.
Seems like you guys had another busy day. Now that things are finally peaceful, you should really be taking it a bit easier than this.
Hey, come on now, Kohaku. Copen spent so long fighting the good fight. So now that everything's all peachy, he just doesn't know what to do with himself.
That's not true. I fully intend on taking a break. It's this thing's fault. The more I learn about it, the more intriguing it gets.
Oh, that's the thing that just suddenly appeared in your hands one day, right? What's up with that?
It's a rifle-shaped processing unit, but its materials and constructions are not of this world. It's labeled Blaster Rifle. I still have no idea how or why it suddenly manifested before my eyes. It doesn't work right now, but if I keep digging, I may be able to determine something about the other world that originated from it. Who was that talking just now?
Talking? I don't hear a thing.
Whoa! Hey, you two, look at that!
Is that a wormhole?
I got some huge energy readings here. I'm getting sucked in! Ah!
Excuse me?
What in the world just happened? Kohaku? Lola? Are you okay?
Is everyone all right?
Who's that?
Oh dear, please pardon me. If I may ask, would you, by any chance, happen to be human?
What are you?
I am delighted to make your acquaintance. Please call me Noel.
From the looks of you, you must be a robot, right?
There it is. The Brave Pillar. All the knowledge about this strange world is stored inside that thing.
From what Noel told us, we should be able to find a way back to our world in there. Hopefully it really is that simple.
Getting there is gonna be a pain in the butt. Sounds like there are tons of obstacles out there waiting for us.
That's exactly what my new gear is for. Besides, we can't just wait around forever.
Yeah, ain't that the truth? Okay, let's get this mission started. Whew. We made it pretty far, but looks like you got roughed up right good. That's where I come in. Listen up, boss. Open up your skill menu and use healing. Healing!
Recovery sequence complete. You're getting better at using healing mode.
You bet I am. I can activate healing whenever, wherever, and however many times you need. Seriously, there's no limit to it. Don't be afraid to use it whenever you want. Mission start! Go! You got a bonus emblem! Enemy spotted! Time to show off your razor wheel! Quick razor! Nice one! Sweet! You barely keep... Oh yeah! Aerial take one! Dang! This looks like a great spot to charge in with your recoil dash! Oh yeah! Aerial quick razor! Nice one! Repeatedly jumping or dashing should help you get through the quicks. It's tough to get a good foothold here. Go, go! Smash into those guarding baddies with your takedown! Your homing shots are super powerful, so make sure you lock on and let it fly! Scoot up against the wall and keep jumping! You'll scale that thing in no time! Quick Razor! Nice one! Bullet dash through these narrow passages! Just hold it down and go! Whoosh! Mode change complete! Let's do this! Initiating overdrive! Another bonus envelope! That makes 2! Great! Nice! Excellent! Keep that combo rolling, Bob! Watch out for that pig! Roll him there and you're done for! Oh yeah! Aerial takedown! Great! Nice combo! Excellent! Wonderful! No one can stop you now! Yay! That's complete! You can slip right through thin floors like these! Oh yeah! Aerial takedown! Great! Nice combo! Excellent! Wonderful! No one can stop you now! Amazing! You're practically invincible! Destroy that hexapile to move on to the next area! Are these a worker's remains? I wonder if it was guarding the grave pillar.
A worker gatekeeper. Left here to rust. What the? We'll annihilate you. Lola, limiters off.
Darkness mode!
Colossal! Damage. Critical. Strategic withdrawal. Who the hell was that?
You know, boss, that guy kinda looked like you.
Did it make a copy of my data? That quickly? Whatever. No use worrying about it right now. We're heading into the tower.
Hold on. It looks like the entrance is protected by some sort of barrier. I can't manage to hack my way in either. The barrier must be messing with the signal.
And we'll just have to break through. I'll rip it open with my razor wheel. Stay back.
Wait up! Jeez, that was so messed up. You guys left me a null behind.
Seriously, you two? You followed us?
My apologies, Lola. We were so worried that we couldn't just stand idly by and wait.
That was incredibly reckless. Are you hurt?
Nope, things got a little hairy on the way, but we were fine thanks to that special weapon he made for me. Anywho, what's the matter? Looks like you're in a bit of a tight spot.
Yeah, there's this barrier blocking the entrance.
It looks open to me.
Say what? Kohaku, what did you do?
Huh? Me? I have no idea. I don't think I did anything.
idea. The Grave Pillar was built by the Creator and bequeathed to humankind. Perhaps when one of those humans, Kohaku, drew near, it responded?
That could explain it. Well done, Kohaku. I'm not human, so there's no way I could have pulled this off.
Don't mention it. Hey, hold up! Don't joke about stuff like that. You're very much a human, Copen. Your body is just all cyborgish, that's all.
Whatever you say. Come on, let's make our way in.
The Grave Pillar. A tower left behind by the Creator. I believe it was originally used for research into restoring the environment to one suitable for human life.
Whoa, check out this map! This thing's got a volcano, a jungle, and all kinds of other environments.
There's a whole volcano and jungle in this tower? It must be gigantic. This creator person must have been really incredible. That's who made you and the rest of the workers, right?
Correct. The Creator researched all sorts of ways to restore the environment for humans. It is said that the Creator left behind all their research data in the mother computer at the top of the tower. According to one hypothesis, humans were not wiped out. Instead, they were all transported to another world, or so I have heard.
Since we just came here from another world, it's hard to totally deny that. Even if it would normally sound totally bonkers.
For now, we have no choice but to hope it's true.
I'm sure the data is all there. I'll do my best to help you find it.
Oh yeah! Let's have a look around here first.
Oh my! Just when we have made some progress, we seem to have gotten stuck.
No luck. Dang it. Looks like we'll need 2 card keys to open the lock.
Card keys?
Got my hands on some juicy data. And it looks like 2 of the workers in charge of this sector should each have a key on them.
Oh! I remember hearing about that. There are powerful workers in charge of protecting this tower known as Gravekeepers.
So the Gravekeepers hold the keys. It would be nice if they just handed them over without a fight.
We gotta find him first. Kohaku, no? You two should wait by the entrance area. It looks like the security bots are programmed not to enter that part of the tower.
Don't even think about following us this time.
Sorry about that. This tower has been operating for hundreds of years, huh?
Hey boss, have you been using your EX weapon Anchor Nexus at all? As long as it's active, Anchor Nexus transforms your bullet dash into a homing attack. It doesn't fire when you press the button like the other EX weapons do, so it takes a little getting used to, but it can target any enemy on the screen, letting you home in on enemies that your dash normally couldn't touch. Pretty cool, huh? Remember, it'll turn on and off whenever you press the EX weapon button. Got it?